everyone, I'm Yusuke from Daily Garlic. Now I'm cooking because my partner come and have a lunch together. As her request, I will make a meal with black garlic. This is today's ingredient. Tuna. This should be sesame grade, garlic, black garlic, sugar, vinegar. This time I use a rice vinegar, olive oil, pepper, and soy sauce. The procedure is quite simple. Cut the tuna and make a sauce. Anyway, let's get started. First I'm gonna make a marinade sauce. Tuna is later because it should be fresh. Cut the garlic first. This time I'm gonna chop the garlic to enjoy the texture. Put the olive oil around 2 large spoons. Soy sauce 1.5 large spoon. Vinegar 1.5 large spoon. Sugar around 1 small teaspoon. And pepper. And mix up. Taste a little. You can adjust the seasoning if necessary. This time, I don't totally crush the black garlic and enjoy the texture. And tuna is ready. Put tuna here. And put the carpaccio to close. Yes. Black garlic as a topping. Dry rosemary. Version of carpaccio.
You can. You record?
Yeah, I'm keep recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how like?
Yeah, just to keep eating.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, this is like close up, like black garlic and the tuna marinated with the sauce. And we are gonna taste right now. How the taste?
The sourness is a start, but it's not too sour. At the same time, it's the tuna texture was pretty well. You can still feel the tuna. And at the ending with the black garlic, it's so sweet that
Yeah.
it just there's some sweet little fruits.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
gives you the ending. Sometimes it's kind of like raisin a little bit,
Yeah.
but this is softer than raisin.
Yeah.
And it doesn't leave the black garlic smells afterward.
Yeah.
I mean, black garlic is already very little smells, right?
Yeah, because of the olive oil and tuna. Tuna
So
has a
sweet. It's like a snack.
yeah, it's very sweet.
See, it's full of nutrition. It will be my new favorite appetizer from now on. Okay.
I think so.
Keep cooking.
Yes.
It keeps you wanting for more.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Finish.
Happy for the day.
I cooked a carpaccio a few times. It's very good for party. Procedure is quite simple, but it looks gorgeous. Friend, family will be appreciated. If you put the black garlic in the carpaccio, you can taste only good perspective black garlic, olive oil, and tuna. A deep taste and aftertaste hint of sweetness of black garlic. I highly recommend you try and experience it. Thank you for watching.